Talentrix. We driven to explore talents from students in podcast industry. Do listen our audio-visual blogs in Kannada, English and in Hindi. Do subscribe and press the bell button for regular updates. Metals are elementary substances such as gold, silver and copper. Minerals are solid, naturally occurring inorganic substances found in the Earth's crust. You are thinking why I am telling you about it? It's okay. Do you all know about metals and minerals? Is it? It's okay. Don't worry. Today our topic is metals and minerals. We know about it by Preksha in briefly.
Hello everyone. I am Preksha from Govt Adarsha Vidyalaya, Dharwad. Today, let's talk about one of the important part of our nature, which are metals and minerals. What are metals? Metals are the elementary substances such as gold, silver, copper, etc. They are crystalline when solid and naturally occur in minerals. Wait, so what are minerals? Minerals are solid, naturally occurring inorganic substances found in the Earth's crust. They have a unique chemical composition and crystal structure. Did you know that metals are often good conductors of electricity and heat? Also, they are shiny and malleable. The metals we use day to day are converted from metallic ores to their fine form. This usually requires the use of chemical and special technology. There are thought to be well over 4,000 different minerals, many of which contain metallic elements. These elements are often grouped by their properties or function. Some of them are precious metals. This includes gold, silver, platinum and diamonds. About 90% of total gold production comes from gold mines. The remaining 10% is produced as byproducts from mining other metals such as copper and nickel. Precious metals are traded on world markets and used in a range of applications from jewelry to electronics to catalytic converters in cars. Another group is base metals. This mainly means copper, lead and zinc, which have a lower value. Refined forms of these materials are commonly traded on world markets. These are basic building materials for much of the world around us. Next is ferrous metals. Those with a higher iron content, which includes all types of steel, chromium, cobalt, manganese and molybdenum are commonly included in this group because their major use is to improve the properties of steel. And then non-ferrous metals. This includes aluminium, copper, lead, magnesium, nickel, tin and zinc, since they have principal uses unrelated to steel making. Note that there is some overlap with the base metals group. The choice of the group depends on the context. Another one is rare earth metals. These are not actually all that rare, but their extraction is complex and difficult. They include scandium, yttrium, lanthanum and 14 elements, lanthanides, flowing lanthanum in the periodic table. They have widespread uses, though in small volume, in the manufacturing of glass, ceramics, glazes, magnets, lasers and television tubes, as well as in refining petroleum. Then come alloys. These are made by mixing two or more metallic elements to form a new unique substance that has differing chemical and physical properties to its component parts. Average of the metals in use today are alloys. Let me tell you some interesting facts about minerals and metals. There are over 53,000 known mineral species. Over 5,070 of these have been approved by the International Mineralogical Association, in short IMA. The word metal came from the ancient Greek word metallon, meaning quarry or to mine or to excavate. The most abundant metal in the universe is iron, followed by magnesium. 75% of all elements in the periodic table are metals. At room temperature, all metals are solids except for mercury, which is a liquid. Most common metal found in the Earth's crust is aluminum. Metals are subdivided into separate groups such as basic, transition, alkali, alkaline, earth, and rare earth. Most metals may be beaten into thin sheet. Many metals are ductile, capable of being drawn into a wire. Diamond is the hardest known minerals. Cerium, praseodymium, terbium are three rare earth minerals. Talc is the softest minerals. Type of minerals are microminerals and trace minerals. The first metals to be mined out of earth by humans were the elements gold and copper. The 50% of electricity generated in the US comes from the mined coal and uranium. Petroleum has become so omnipresent that it's present in over 6,000 items we use on a daily life basis. The idiomatic phrase, the luck of Irish, has its own etymology, origin in mining. It comes from the fact that during the gold rush in US, many of the successful mines were from the Irish immigrants. Therefore, the Irish who were involved in mining seemed to be very lucky people indeed getting their pot of gold. It is true that thousands of years ago, salt was also valuable, that it was worth the same as gold by weight. Zinc is a vital element for body's health and immune system. Zinc is also fourth most widely consumed minerals. The major resources of minerals in India are found in the major states such as Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Assam. The minor minerals resources are found in Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Rajasthan, and West Bengal. The four main categories of mineral formation are igneous or magmatic, in which minerals crystallize from a melt; sedimentary, in which minerals are the result of sedimentation, a process whose raw materials are particles from other rocks that have undergone weathering or erosion; metamorphic, in which new minerals form at the expense of earlier ones owing to the effects of changing, usually increasing temperature or pressure or both some existing rock type; and fourth, hydrothermal, in which minerals are chemically precipitated from hot solutions within earth. The first three processes generally lead to varieties of rocks in which different mineral grains are closely intergrown in an interlocking fabric. Hydrothermal solutions and even solutions at very low temperatures tend to follow fracture zones in rocks that may provide open spaces for the chemical precipitation of minerals from solution. And here I end my words regarding metals and minerals. Thank you.
more updates, do visit www.talentrix.co.in.